Hello everyone, and welcome to a little tutorial on how to install Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet is an app that works just like MetaMask as a secure wallet to keep all of your crypto and non-fungible assets in one place. So as you can see, it does a number of different things. You can trade assets directly from it. It has a DApp browser as well as the basic functionality to keep and store your crypto and your assets. Cool, so next we're going to create a new wallet. First thing you're going to want to do is accept the terms and conditions and make sure you understand them. And then you're going to want to take down this very important phrase called a passphrase. This passphrase is going to be used if your account ever needs to be recovered or restored at any time. So it's very important you take it down. Take down this passphrase, and the next step you're going to have to verify that you've written down your passphrase by putting it in the order given to you in the step before. Cool, so now we're all set up. Inside the wallet you'll have your tokens listed. At the moment, just by default is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and on another tab you'll have your collectibles where you'll be able to view things like CryptoKitties or your artworks from the blockchain art exchange. Next you're going to want to go to the DApp browser on the second tab, and you can search for all of your dApps that you want or need to use. Just type in the URL into the search bar and there you go. Right, the next thing to cover is how to import a wallet into Trust Wallet. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the same screen that comes up when you open the app and click on Import Wallet. You'll be given a list of different networks that you can click on. For our platform you'll be clicking on Ethereum, and next you'll be pasting in the important passphrase that we spoke about earlier to recover your wallet, and that's it. Your wallet's recovered and you are ready to go and do all the things you need to do with your new crypto secure wallet by Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you next time.